Item 5.9, Code of Conduct.
So you'll remember we had a workshop on this, and I forwarded to you a copy of the changes that I thought I'd heard from you all, which are outlined there. There's been a couple of additional changes since then, which I'd just like to take you through, and that's just in relation on page 159 to include in the Code of Conduct not only elected and community board members, but also appointed and co-opted members to committees, that they'll be tied to this as well. On page 161, that's the information in terms of roles and responsibilities for the Mayor and Deputy Mayor, which came as a result of the workshop. 165. So the request was around strengthening up the confidential information, which I've attempted to do in that wording. And 161 in terms of, I have to find it, sorry. That. 165. So, well, sorry, 169. So, complaint. Any complaint made by CEO goes to the deputy or the mayor. And on page 180, an addition of a declaration to be signed, which is similar to one that was on in the old Code of Conduct. Happy to take any questions.
Thanks, Tina. Any questions regarding the Code of Conduct? Right, all good behaving themselves today, aren't they, Tina? Okay, so recommendation there on 5.9, we adopt it. Could I have a move, please? Councillor Johns? Seconded by Councillor Williamson. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried.